योगश्चित्तवृत्ति निरोध योग चित्त वृत्ति निरोध अर्थात चित्तस्य वृत्तीनां निरोध एव योग। चित्त माइंड, वृत्ति fluctuations of mind, it means thoughts, nirodha control, yoga spiritual discipline, it means control on thoughts or fluctuations of mind is yoga, is spiritual discipline. We can say yoga is the state in which the movements of the mind become completely still. Welcome to Sanskrit Tech Inner Awareness. In this video, we will explore a simple but powerful question. What is inner awareness? In modern life, most people live in constant activity. Our mind is always thinking, reacting, worrying, planning. But very rarely do we pause and observe what is happening within us. Have you ever asked yourself, who am I? For this, ancient sages of India discovered something extraordinary. They said, when the senses turn inward, a person begins to discover the true self. In Kathopanishad, written, परांचिखानि व्यतृणत् स्वयंभू तस्मात् परां पश्यति न अंतरात्मन कश्चिद् धीर प्रत्यगात्मानं मैक्षत अवृतचक्षु अमृतत्वम् इच्छन्. Our senses constantly move outward, changing the world of objects, sounds, and experiences. It means human senses are naturally directed outward. So most people spend their lives observing the external world. But the wise person turns the senses inward and discovers the deepest truth, the self within. This is where inner awareness begins. Inner awareness means becoming conscious of what is happening inside us. Our breath, our thoughts, our emotions, and the sensations in our body. Instead of reacting automatically, you begin to observe with calm attention. For example, take a simple moment of breathing. If you close your eyes and observe your breath for just 1 minute, you begin to notice the rhythm of inhalation and exhalation. In that moment, the mind becomes quieter. This is the beginning of inner awareness. With regular practice, inner awareness brings clarity, emotional balance, and a deeper sense of stability. Instead of being controlled by stress or reactions, you begin to respond with calm understanding. Inner awareness is not something complicated. It begins with simple observation. Breathe, body, and mind. It means when awareness grows, we begin to see the thoughts come and go, emotion rise and fall, but awareness itself remains steady. This inner discovery is called inner awareness. In this video, we will explore the ancient wisdom of the Upanishads and the science of meditation to understand how inner awareness transforms the human mind. Now it's time for the practical. Whatever we have learned and discussed, let's experience it. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says, Samam kaya siro grivam dharayannachalam sthirah samprekshya nasikagram swam disaschanavalokayan. Samam kaya siro grivam. Samam. Samam kaya siro grivam. Dharayan achalam sthirah samprekshya nasikagram swam disaschanavalokayan. Means keep your body, head and neck straight and steady and focus your gaze calmly. In other words, we can say keep your spine erect, shoulders relaxed, and align your head gently over your neck. It means straight spine, calm mind, deep awareness. First of all, find a quiet place. You can sit anywhere, in a garden, at home, in your room, or even on the terrace. You may sit on a mat, on a yoga mat, or even on a chair. Even a chair with armrests is fine. You can even lie down and experience this practice. If you are sitting on the floor, you can sit in any comfortable posture, like Siddhasana. This is slightly hard. Siddhasana. This toe and this toe above each. This is Siddhasana. And if you are not comfortable in this, you can sit in Ardha Padmasana. If you can sit in Padmasana, then you have to sit Padmasana. But you are not comfortable on these, then you have to sit in Sukhasana, simply, normally. After that, you can sit. You cannot sit. Then you can lie down. You want to lie down. Then you can sleep simply on each portion. This is Savasana. And you can do this with easily. But there is one important condition. Your spine, your neck, and your head must be in one straight line, perfectly aligned. This is the most important condition. Now, second step, close your eyes. Now, gently close your eyes. After closing your eyes, observe carefully. Notice your forehead and the area around your eyes. Check if there is any tension, any tightness, or even a slight wrinkle. Sometimes, at first, you may feel there is no tension, there is no wrinkle, but after a moment, you may notice, maybe not outside, but inside, there is a subtle strain. That means inside the forehead there is tension. Now, gently release those wrinkles, remove that tensions, let your forehead become completely relaxed. How can release? You can release, you can remove these wrinkles, tensions by closing your eyes. It means having closed eyes, you have to close your eyes. It means if you are feeling there any lightning, having closed eyes, then you have to again close eyes. Closed eyes again and again and again, closing. Closing eyes, you have to close eyes. As you do this, you will notice that your attention becomes fully focused on that point. And in that moment, there are no thoughts, no emotions, no reactions, no fluctuations in the mind. This is the beginning of inner awareness. It's not a practice, but this is a doorway to inner awareness. After that, step 2, 3, 4 will come in next videos. If you thank you for watching. If you think this journey of awareness, inner awareness, is good for you, then join us. Thank you.